Looking to choose between ConvertKit and Drip for your email marketing needs? In this video, we'll be diving into which tool is truly more advanced. Stick with me until the end because I'll be sharing an alternative you might want to consider, and trust me, you don't want to miss that. Let's start by talking about the user interface. Both ConvertKit and Drip offer clean, user-friendly designs, but ConvertKit takes the lead when it comes to ease of use. Their interface is simple and minimalistic, making it beginner-friendly for anyone new to email marketing. However, this simplicity can also be a limitation for more advanced users who need more features at their fingertips. Drip, on the other hand, has a slightly steeper learning curve, but offers much more in terms of customization and complex workflows. If you're looking for more in-depth control, Drip may feel like the more advanced option. Next thing, let's talk about automation. Both platforms provide powerful automation tools, but Drip shines when it comes to complex automations and multi-step workflows. Drip's visual workflow builder lets you map out detailed email sequences and customer journeys, which is ideal for advanced marketers. ConvertKit's automation is great for simpler needs, tagging and segmenting subscribers for targeted emails, but if you're running advanced campaigns, you might find ConvertKit's automations a bit limiting compared to Drip. The third thing to consider is pricing. ConvertKit's pricing is straightforward, offering a free plan for users with up to 1,000 subscribers. However, as your list grows, ConvertKit can get a bit pricey, especially if you're looking for advanced features like automation and integrations. Drip's pricing is also on the higher end, but it can be more cost-effective for businesses looking to scale, since their plans are based on the number of subscribers you have. Drip's tiered pricing might seem expensive at first, but when you consider the extra features you're getting, it could be worth it for more serious marketers. Next thing, let's look at integrations. Both ConvertKit and Drip integrate with a wide range of tools, from e-commerce platforms to landing page builders. ConvertKit focuses on integrations with tools that appeal to content creators and small businesses, while Drip offers more options for e-commerce businesses looking to create advanced sales funnels. If you're running an online store, Drip is probably the better choice for integrating with tools like Shopify or WooCommerce. Now, let's dive into customer support. ConvertKit offers solid customer service with a focus on video tutorials, live chat, and email support. But Drip offers more robust, personalized support for higher-tier customers, including a dedicated success manager. If you're looking for a more hands-on approach and the ability to troubleshoot complex issues, Drip might have the edge here. The fifth thing I want to highlight is reporting and analytics. While both platforms give you the basics, open rates, click rates, and subscriber activity, Drip provides a much more comprehensive analytics dashboard. This allows you to track detailed metrics about your audience's behavior, which can be a game changer for advanced marketers. ConvertKit offers solid reports, but you might feel a bit restricted if you need deeper insights into your campaigns. To wrap it up, ConvertKit and Drip are both excellent email marketing tools, but each serves different types of marketers. If you're a beginner or a content creator just starting out, ConvertKit's simple interface and pricing structure may be the better choice. But if you're an e-commerce business or a marketer who wants more control, advanced automation, and in-depth analytics, Drip might be more up your alley. However, after testing both of these, I've found a better alternative that offers even more flexibility, and I highly recommend checking it out. If you want a better solution for email marketing, one that combines ease of use with powerful features, click the first link in the description to take advantage of an exclusive free trial. This is the best deal available, and it's only accessible to viewers like you. Don't miss out.